I'll apply some bright colors today, starting off with fluorescent pink. This is white, isn't it? And yeah, I'm gonna add a bit of white up, and then a very bright burgundy or fuchsia. I don't know what this is, but however, okay. I'm gonna put some gold. Well, onto that. Gonna apply a bit of white on the gold, not too much. And a tiny, tiny, tiny bit of deep purple. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna spread some more white around it. I like it that way. Okay. And yeah, let's blow. Okay. First gonna blow like this. Okay. And turn it around. And like a butterfly, isn't it? Look how beautiful the gold merges here. Yeah, it's yeah. So I'm actually not going to use the torch, as the sounds pop up quite nicely. You see, it's like a butterfly. And so, yeah, I actually like it that way. So I'm gonna leave it and just as it is, because I love it. Yeah, I love the colors and I love how they fuse, especially with the gold. Can you see the gold? And up here. Alright then, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Thank you.